Our school is a model of environmental responsibility. We are committed to reducing waste and promoting recycling, and we believe that an MRF is the key to make that happen. Actually, si Ma'am Luis na lang ang nag-suggest nito ko sa grade 10 ako. Ano ma'am? Kapalo pa inyog nga, ano da, kusarin man da magkakay kaning MRF. Tapos biya, ay, pa si Mr. President. Baka naman.
Siyempre.
And also, we want to make sure that every learner has access to resources they need to succeed. That's why we're working on getting a printer for the school. We know that it's struggle for some learners to print projects, and we want to make sure that everyone has opportunity to excel. We'll decide whether mapapabayad na lang kami ng abot kaya or ilibre na lang. Kasi may talaga kaming budget. We're committed to making sure that every student has the same opportunities regardless of their financial status situation. We're showing that we believe in equality and fairness, and we're willing to fight of what's right. These are just plans, and I don't want to get you hope up. May kuman makapangako sa inyo may talaga kaming budget, pero itry na mo ang gabos na yun nga, ma-provide to as our legacy sa pagsilbi na mo sa school year na to. This is just the beginning. We have so much more to achieve, so many more dreams to realize, but we can't do it alone. We need your support, your participation and enthusiasm. Together, we can make our school a place where everyone feels valued, respected, and inspired. We can build a school that we can all be proud of, a school that reflects our values and our aspirations. Thank you.